actually know me and you meet me and you want me to be a girl?
I don't.
Oh, you don't look me.
I don't know.
In a Patwah, try one phrase.
I don't know. Honestly.
Okay, fine. Do it in a Shona.
Still don't know.
So, I'm going to. He's written like words that I need to say or things that I need to say in Shona, but I haven't seen them yet. And then I did the same.
She did the same.
So, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to talk Patwah, I'm going to Patwah. And then, you want to talk to me in a Shona?
Should I also speak in Shona the whole
Yeah,
thing?
let's try.
If
me not understand, if me not understand, I will tell you. Alright, so who go first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Wait, the person who loses, go first, right?
Yeah, I lose and
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
She's going to start.
That.
Yeah.
Alright.
So
my first...
what's the first word you've got there?
Orange. Orange.
Yeah, orange.
In Shona.
Yeah, how do you say orange in Shona?
And this is
An orange is called Adizi.
No, like me know orange in Shona.
Yeah, okay. So an orange is called Ranjis.
Ranjis.
Yeah.
So you just remove the O and then say ranjis, like oranges, ranjis.
Yeah, ranjis.
So one orange is what? Range. Right, because if you had an S here, it's oranges, right?
The ranjis,
and then you say ranjis.
But it seems like some of the Shona words, right? They like bastardize the English word and they just Shonarize it. So I guess it's one of the things with this one. They call it ranjis. If there's another name for it, please do tell us in the comment section.
Ranjis, marangis.
Ranjisi.
Ranjisi.
Yeah.
So how do you say many ranjisi? Marangis.
Yeah.
Marangisi.
Orange. Okay, so what's my first
Your
word?
turn.
Young child.
Young child. How do you say young child?
It's not easy thing, man. Pick me.
Young child. Pick me, yes. How
Yeah,
do you
pick
say
me.
a young pick me?
A young pick me. So how do you say it?
I'm being tough, right, guys? Little pick me.
All the same thing. This one I got it.
So that's one like one for you?
Yeah.
Okay. My next word. This is easy for me. Frog. This is like one of the first Shona words you can teach me. How to say frog in Shona? Dajka. What? Dajka. Why are you laughing?
Yeah, it's more like
Dajka.
Dachka.
Dachka.
Or another
Dachka.
way.
Because Dachka it's Dadya, right? It's
Datya.
Oh, it's Tya. Okay.
Or Daffy.
Daffy.
There's another word for it, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean,
so I got it right?
Yeah, that's what you're talking about.
Thank you.
Yes.
Your turn.
My turn. I don't care.
How you say I don't care in a Patwah?
Minake.
Or one next way. Most commonly.
Minake.
It starts with B instead of care.
B. Not bad at me.
No, like I don't. The first part where you say correct. Me no. Change care. Change care to a word that starts with B.
Me not bad at myself.
Me no business.
Me no business.
Seriously, me no business. Whatever you say, me no business.
This thing is rigged.
It's not rigged. Me no business. But I guess in Patwah it's still a mix of English. So you're right when you say me no care. Some people say me no care. That's true. But the
Jamaican family, please help me out on this one.
You're not wrong.
She's really acting like an African politician right now.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong. It's right. But
yeah,
a more Patwah way is not the business.
Oh, anyway.
If you want to remove the care part.
Okay. Anyway.
But you get it. It's fine. A troublesome person.
Yeah, it's Shona.
In Shona. Who you on the net side? Auntie, that's correct. Or moon on the net side.
I don't know it, but like you're actually like describing it. There's a word for it.
Oh, there's a word for troublesome person.
Yeah. It's a tongue twister. You didn't get it.
What does it start with? Where's that with?
N.
N.
You didn't know it. Okay, so a troublesome person is called a Nunja.
Babe. Guys, is this fair? Nunja.
Nunja.
Tunja.
Runja.
Tunja.
Listen to that. So say Nunja. I should get a whistle. Nunja. Tunja. Yeah. Now you know the correct way of.
Anyways, guys, Zimbabweans. I mean, if I describe it, it's still the same, right? Who you want on it say is a problem.
Okay, I think I'll give you that one.
Thank you.
I'll give you that one.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn. Let's see. Please don't disturb me.
Yeah.
Not bother me.
Oh, well done. There's no please in Patwah, like in this case. Zimbabweans more polite, like please don't disturb me. In Jamaica, like no bother me. There's no please. No bother me. Well done, you got that. Alright. It's okay. Bo. Or you're right.
Or there's so many ways to say this. Bolato.
Is Bolato Shona?
It's Shona
Second,
slang.
the Bill is like.
No.
Oh, it's
Shona
Shona.
slang, yeah.
But there's no L in Shona.
I said slang.
So
in the slang, there's an L.
Bolato, bo. It's right or
no pressure.
It's right.
Kawan.
Apana kind of pressure. Kawan.
So many ways.
Yeah.
So yeah, that one you definitely got it. Okay. Say one Patwah phrase I use when I'm angry.
So one Patwah phrase I'm use when I'm upset.
Not bother me. You say not bother me. You say not talk to me. Yeah, there are a whole lot of things.
No bother me. Don't not chat to me. Don't talk to me.
Yeah.
What else do I say?
What else? You see, the thing is, you haven't been angry in a while. So how would I know? How you react?
Left me alone.
Oh yeah,
Allow
left me
me,
alone.
not touch me.
Yeah.
Go by your business.
Nah, no.
I don't see.
Nah, left me, no. Nah, left me
alone.
Yeah, left me alone, definitely.
Not touch me.
One, yeah. I think that one is actually number one.
No, left
me alone. Yeah. Done.
So this is my last one. How to call alert that there's a thief. So this is, I feel like this is one good question because you live in a Zim, somebody rob you, African ball out and something. But I think I know if you do this. You just say Mbava. Mbava is the word for thief.
I don't think people would believe you because you're catching up. You see, the thing is...
Mbava!
Exactly. That va has to be like, it has to be...
But I got it right.
You got that right. Anyway, my last one. How would you flirt with me if you were a Jamaican man? would I flirt? Guys, I'm not Jamaican.
I said if. Don't be afraid to pooper. I'm waiting.
This one. The only one.
Babe, don't be lame. Try. No, not like that. Not like you're up on the road. Like if you'd have flirt with me privately.
No. I don't know.
Not on the road. Like you actually know me and you meet me and you want me to be a girl.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't look me.
I don't know.
In a Patwah, try one phrase.
I don't know. Honestly.
One phrase, babe?
No, I don't know.
Just one phrase?
I don't know.
Okay, fine. Do it in a Shona.
Still don't know.
You see?
I don't know.
So, how you get me in the first place? Oh, you did look me. Oh, you told me so.
Those are my secrets. It's not for everyone to know.
Guys, isn't this like an anticlimax? So you're seriously not or just one phrase? Right?
I don't know.
Please.
I seriously don't know.
Please.
I don't know. And I'm genuine. I don't know.
No. Please.
I don't know.
Guys, I tried.
Zimbabwean men are not known to be romantic. I
never say romantic, I say flirt.
Yeah, but
no romantic flirt.
No, flirting is part of romance. So
no, not in Jamaica.
We're not that romantic.
That's
maybe some are.
Or maybe use the wrong word. How you that look me? How do you try to hit on me? Exactly. Maybe use hit on me, not flirt. Or you that hit on me if you did meet me somewhere. In a Shona or Patwah, your choice.
In Shona?
Mm-hmm.
They put number.
If you did approach me like that, do you know what he said, guys? Him say, like, hey, Wagwan, give me a number.
Yeah.
But you need to get my number if you did try to look me like that.
And you are sitting.
Because you never do that.
Nah, what did
you couldn't do that.
What did I do then?
You befriended me, you carried me go to church. You hang out, talk, all sorts of deep conversations.
So you want me
try to make everybody, my sister, you're intelligent and you can reason about all different things and you have general knowledge on things. When everybody else don't talk, they get bored of the conversation, him still have things to say. And I say, the boy I can think, do I have a head on him body, intelligent, things
so is that trying to then make it a quick thing? No, I'm not the type of guy.
Alright, fine, you win. We're not appreciating the Anyway, guys, that was us doing the language challenge. Let us know in the comments below what you think, any input where you have to give, and what else you'd like to see we do in our short videos.
Yes, Metabasa Mawuya.
He said, thank you for coming here. Right?
Peace out.